Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide your subscribers on your YouTube channel. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up the YouTube app, then click on your profile icon on the bottom right. So once you're on here, underneath your channel name, you should have the option for View Channel. So you just want to tap on there. And then you should see a little pencil symbol on the right hand side near the middle of the page. So you just want to click on that. And then at the bottom, it should say keep all my subscriptions private. So all you need to do is toggle that on, and that will hide all your subscribers on your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.